Students, can you tell me how can we identify places of the Earth's surface? Why do you think the Earth appears blue from space? For identify places on the Earth's surface, we need globes and maps. Both are representation of the real Earth at the manageable size. Let's more learn about globes and maps. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, proved that the earth is round. Before this discovery, people believed that the earth was flat. Astronomers believe that the earth is spherical and it slightly flat in the top and bottom. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that supports life. Its surface covered with large land masses called continents and vast water bodies called oceans. The study of the earth done with help of globes and maps. Let's learn about globes. A globe is spherical model of the earth. Different colors are used to denote different places on the earth. All the water bodies are blue in color and all the land masses are green, yellow, and brown in colors. A globe has its disadvantages. It neither shows us the details of a place nor is easy to carry. Locating a place on the globe is also difficult. You can see this moving globe. Can you find the particular place easily? No, right? Therefore, we prefer using a maps. Let's learn about maps. A map is the representation of the earth or part of it on a flat surface. A person who draws map is called a cartographer. Cartography is the study of maps. A collection of maps in the form of the book is called an atlas. We can draw map to show countries, continent, and even our neighborhood. Maps are more appropriate for showing details. Let's have a look on types of maps. Maps are basically in two types: physical map and political map. A physical map shows the physical or relief feature of the places, such as the mountains, plateaus, plains, and rivers. A political map shows countries, states, and their capitals. Reading a map, it is important to learn. How to read a map? A map can give multiple information about countries or a place. All maps follows system of directions and scale. Symbols and colors used in maps to help us our reading. For example, brown and purple used to depict mountains. Blue is used to depict rivers and oceans. Green used to depict plains and grassland. Directions. The four major directions used in maps are north, south, east, and west. If one stands facing a map, toward the top of the map, north, and towards the bottom, south. The east towards the right, and the west towards the left. Generally, all maps have letter N written off the top, which denoted the north direction. It helps us to finding rest of the directions. For intermediate directions used in a map, these are northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. Scale. The scale of the map shows relationship between distance on a map and distance on the earth. A scale is used because real distance can not be shown on maps. For example, on the map of the world, 1 meter can be used to depict 100 kilometers. Remember, the distance on the map is always much shorter than the actual distance on the earth. Now look at the symbols used on the maps. Symbols are represent the physical feature of a place such as bridges, dams, roads, railway tracks and canals. Have a look on some symbols used in a map. Some examples of symbols used in dotted boundaries shows borders and dark dotted shows cities. Colors. Colors are used in a map to show different physical features such as mountains, hills, seas, and oceans. Water bodies are shows in a different shades of blue. Mountains, hills, plateaus are shows in a shade of purple and brown. Plains are shows in a shade of green. Thank you.